I just wanna be the best that I can. Not calling anyone else. Not falling into a rain. Just like you think I would do. I just wanna spend some time with myself. I'm not texting anyone else. I'm not falling for someone else. If I come back, if I come back. If I come back, if I come back.
Bajaj has recently introduced the all-new N125, the lightest naked commuter in its segment. Few months earlier, Bajaj had introduced the CNG 125 and of course Bajaj already had an ongoing model, the NS 125, to complete its 125cc category. Although Bajaj had claimed that the bike is whole new from motor to the chassis with similar engine configuration and first in segment feature packed and text loaded for year 2024 with the new Pulsar N125. Design, fun, iconic, urban. The Pulsar N125 is for someone who is young at heart and fun-loving. It is fun to ride, with its easy handling and quick acceleration, and most of all, its ability to make its way out of heavily jammed roads by finding gaps. N-Platform perfect city companion. The Pulsar N125 is built on the legacy of the acclaimed N-Platform, celebrated for its smooth and comfortable riding experience. Featuring a refined engine, optimal seat height, and impressive ground clearance, the N125 is designed to effortlessly navigate city streets and tackle the challenges of traffic. Experience the thrill of urban riding with confidence and style. Aerodynamic and lightweight. Weighing just 125 kilograms, the N125 boasts a fresh and unique identity. Its front and rear floating panels seamlessly combine lightweight construction with a commanding road presence. Strategically designed slits in these panels guide airflow to the engine, enhancing performance, while the robust fork sleeves contribute to the bike's striking front profile. Young age graphics and colors. Catering to young riders who celebrate their uniqueness, the Pulsar N125 features futuristic hexagonal design elements that capture the essence of a dynamic world. This innovative styling creates a sense of motion, even when the bike is at rest. The new age color schemes create an appeal which is impossible to ignore. Performance. Best-in-class power. Experience the thrill of the ride. Command absolute power with robust 124.59cc engine that produces an impressive peak power of 12 PS, 8.82 kilowatts, at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 11 Newton meters of peak torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Feel the adrenaline as you conquer every road with confidence and agility. Power to weight ratio. The Pulsar N125 delivers unparalleled acceleration, making it the quickest in its segment to sprint from 0 to 60 km per hour. Experience the perfect fusion of power and agility, designed for those who crave thrilling rides, glide through city streets and conquer rush hour like never before. Technology. Digital console. Bluetooth connected digital console with call accept, reject, missed call and message alerts along with fuel and economy red outs. Digital console is available in select variant only. Telescopic front and rear monoshock suspension. Equipped with 25mm front telescopic and rear monoshock suspension for superior handling and precision. USB charging port. Never run out of juice on road. The Pulsar N125 comes with USB charging port as standard. Handling. Braking. Pulsar N125 comes with 240mm front disc and 130mm rear drum brakes for enhanced braking performance. Wide tires. Equipped with wide set of tubeless tires for confidence riding. The N125 comes with 80/117 front tire and 110/80/17 rear tire in the top variant. Low seat height with high ground clearance. Glide over breakers with segment best ground clearance of 198mm. Ultimate traffic cutter. With the nimble 1295mm wheelbase, this agile machine lets you maneuver effortlessly through tight spaces, navigate urban landscapes with precision and confidence. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.